Hi guys, I'm still in Virginia, here with LarryBoy. So I purchased something to spray them down because all this skunk is on the outside. I'm just gonna do a little give him a little freshen up. How about that? And still, I'm debating on what to do with him. But in the meantime, since I have a couple of extra days here in Chesapeake, I'm gonna hang out with this fella for a little while. And yes, I will be wearing gloves before I actually touch this stuff. Just spraying it. This is actually a natural cleaner made with peppermint and sage. So hopefully it will do something. Okay. As you can tell from that brief little clip, it's gonna be a little ooey gooey. So I'm gonna mask up, put my gloves on, give it a good little scrub, and then see what it's talking about. I'll open the windows on this side. Have to get back in there and just open all the windows so it can air out while it's a warm day. Keep hope alive, they say, right? Left this open because I sprayed it earlier. There's just straight mold in that ceiling. It's like, I don't know. Oven. Well, that looks fine. It's cute. I have the grapes for it. This. All of this has to be replaced. It's not even really a wall. This light is still okay. Oh, that, yes. We have a mouse in here, maybe? Technically, I guess these can be cleared out. Do you see me? I'm gonna keep this mirror though. It's nice. It's all here. What do you think? Is she shit? Is it still in light? We can keep that. This one runs off gas, but we can convert. Look, it still is really good. We should convert that to electric. Hey, Scotty HiLander But if you look, it's just shifted to the side. Oh. I wonder if I try to pull it, what would happen? Will it all fall apart? Will it fall apart? Now you see what I'm working with, LarryBoy. Like I said, decisions, decisions, decisions. What would you do? Let's take a poll. My time has come on the wait list. But like I said, the cost is going to be steep. Yes. Cost to be steep. Please. Like I said, my family's using this place as storage. Old refrigerator. I didn't open this closet. Okay. I really want to save it. I really want to save it. October is not a terribly busy month, and then it gets cold in November. But I want it done right and not necessarily patched together. But cost-wise, patching it and keeping it as a she shed would be the most cost-effective way. Then it won't leave Virginia. It'll stay in Virginia. Won't be on the road. But it'll make a good bunkhouse. It'll make a good bunkhouse. It's like, can I do it? Can I do it? Yes, you can. You can do anything you put your mind to, right? It's just a matter of getting it done. Get stuff done. And with help. But you wouldn't necessarily have to use real furniture and things like that. If we keep this part here, just clean it up, and then just replace the side walls, all the walls along the side. I can save the handles though, the clasps. Maybe soak and paint those. And I do have tiles, but I don't even, and it's not even a lot of space back there, so I'll probably purchase too many of those. And I might change my mind. I saw some vinyl flooring today, that utility flooring. I said, oh, that would be cool, because that should wipe up easy, mop and clean. And then I want to show you the groovy wallpaper that I got. So hold on, I'll go get that. Golly, isn't this the coolest, grooviest wallpaper? I want to use it here in LarryBoy. That's my, can you see it? The design. And I wanted to use it on this wall over here. Hurry up, put my mask back on. Over here. So I have options if I, just do my own kind of fixing. Options. I keep saying it. Options, options, options. What shall we do? And I like it so much. I know in campers, sometimes it's not best to put wallpaper in campers. I've seen it, but I'm gonna use this somewhere. I really had it for LarryBoy. with LarryBoy in mind because I don't need a lot of it in here. I have this wall, this section over here, and then possibly the back wall on the sides. See what we come up with, right? I could put this back on without you guys. Now here are the grates I told you for the stove. Somebody could use that. Cutest. It's the cutest. But I don't use propane. I prefer electric. So I was thinking of an induction cooktop for me. But the inside of the oven looks good. And then down here I probably could put air conditioning. Here's a space heater, I mean. I want to put a little fireplace heater in here. Patchwork. Oh, they have electrical socket there. This is horrible. Ew. Gross. The whole sink has to go in the trash. Out. In the trash. Did I show you in there? I don't know if I did or I didn't. Let's see. Refrigerator. Wonder if it still works. But that's easy to replace. I'm gonna put some plastic up there again on the outside. There's a little cover on it, but somehow the rain and the border is still getting in here. And here, you see I put the grates on top of the stove. You can see the inside. Still in decent shape. Larry said it worked when he first got it, so no reason to believe otherwise. And the hood. And the sink, oh my goodness. This covers here. But it is the carpet. Yowzers. So there you have it. LarryBoy, Demetrius, Aunt Mimi, Jenny Jeans, little big brother, LarryBoy. What should we do? Weigh in and, you know, give me your thoughts. And also go watch our YouTube videos so that way it can generate income to go towards this project. Catch you guys later.